Want to streamline your application tracking process and fully understand all your hiring KPIs? This is the perfect template co-developed with HR teams to ensure that it is dynamic and perfectly tailored to hiring teams. The hiring process is too long and involves complex steps which should be managed properly to ensure that you select the most talented candidates who are qualified to serve in the required roles considering your business hiring KPIs.
The Applicant Tracking System is an all-in-one human resource Excel template that automates the hiring process, helps HR teams efficiently manage every part of recruitment from job postings to hiring, and solves recruiters' challenges and difficulties. To access this template, click the link in the video description. Once you get to the template page, click Buy and complete the payment information. You can use code ATS at checkout to get 50% off. You will also find useful information that will help you to understand what's included in the ATS template and why HR teams choose Simple Sheets. The introduction page will guide you through how to use and customize the template step by step. This template includes 5 main sheets with explanations that will help you to manage and control job openings and applicants. You can also see step-by-step instructions for how to customize the template to best fit your business. In the database sheets, you will set your database lists, which will automatically be reflected in the drop-down menus and applicants' raw data. You can set menus for position titles, departments, branches, stages, and applicant status. On the job sheets, you will create new jobs with details like job code, publish date, position title, related department, branch, experience, and other required data. You can also control the job status by setting it to either completed or still pending. The Applicant Raw Data tab is where you will add all of the detail for the job applications that you've received. You can record detailed data for each candidate, including their name, phone number, email address, and more. You can also select the application sources and track the interview progress. To incorporate all of the details that you've tracked on your dashboard sheet, all you'll have to do is click the refresh button and all applicants and job data will be updated in the charts. You can see the overall summary in the charts at the top of the page, like average time to fill, applicant status pipeline, pass-through rate, and a summary of jobs and applicants' conversion rate, which can be changed using the slicers. The table at the bottom of the page includes applicants' data, which can also be modified using the slicers. Thanks for watching. If you found this template helpful, don't forget to visit the link below and use the code ATS at checkout for 50% off.
Thank you.